DJI has once again set the tech world buzzing with excitement after a mysterious leak surfaced online, giving what appears to be the first real glimpse of the rumored DJI Avata 360 drone. The leak reportedly appeared for a short time on China's Xiao platform before it was quickly removed, but screenshots spread across social media almost instantly. If the information from that listing is to be believed, the Avata 360 could be one of DJI's most groundbreaking and affordable drones yet, one designed to shake up the 360-degree drone market. The post claimed that the drone's base model would be priced at just 2,988 yuan, roughly $426, which is unusually low for a DJI product. For a brand known for its premium pricing, this number is a major surprise and has instantly captured attention across the drone community. The listing also suggested that DJI would release multiple bundle options, with one including the DJI RC2 controller for around 3,988 yuan, and two high-end kits priced at 5,688 yuan. These bundles reportedly come packed with extra batteries, a charging hub, and your choice of DJI flight goggles or a motion controller, catering to those who love immersive FPV flying experiences. The specifications mentioned in the leak make things even more interesting. The Avata 360 is said to feature a 1-inch image sensor capable of shooting 6K video at 60 frames per second with HDR, along with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. If these specs are accurate, DJI seems to be aiming squarely at content creators, filmmakers, and VR enthusiasts who want cinematic quality footage and total creative freedom in the air. However, there's still some confusion. Earlier rumors hinted that the Avata 360 might include dual 1/1.1-inch sensors and could even handle 8K 360-degree recording. That's led some to believe that this new leak may reflect a prototype model or a region-specific version currently being tested in China. Still, whether it's the final configuration or not, a drone capable of 6K HDR footage and 360-degree vision for under $500 is enough to make anyone take notice. The most shocking part of the leak remains the price. If DJI truly launches this drone at a sub-$500 price point, it would instantly become one of the most affordable panoramic drones ever made. Competing models, such as the anti-gravity A1, cost far more when you add in accessories and extra features. Some industry experts, however, are skeptical. They argue that the leaked figures might be placeholders meant for internal testing or domestic pricing, which could rise when global factors like import duties, taxes, and certification costs are included. Even with those possible adjustments, the leak gives us an intriguing look at what could be DJI's plan to make professional-level 360-degree drones accessible to a much wider audience. This leak also comes at a critical moment for DJI, especially in the United States. The U.S. drone market is preparing for major changes as new FCC regulations come into effect by the end of 2025. Under these new rules, certain foreign manufacturers, including DJI, will no longer be able to secure FCC approval for new drone models after December 23, 2025. DJI, which currently controls roughly 70% of the U.S. drone market, stands to be the most affected by this shift. Existing DJI drones will still be legal to use and sell until inventories run out, but the company won't be able to introduce new models, potentially shrinking its presence in the American market dramatically. Another Chinese manufacturer, Auto Robotics, will face similar hurdles, although its focus on enterprise and professional drones might help cushion the blow. Other foreign drone makers such as Parrot, Unique, Potensic, Holystone, Wingtra, and Sensefly are expected to feel less impact due to their smaller share of the U.S. market. Meanwhile, U.S.-based drone companies like Skidio, Freefly Systems, Teal Drones, Airverment, Brink, Helio, and Zipline remain unaffected and are likely to benefit from these new restrictions. They can continue launching new models freely, giving American consumers more domestic choices. The FCC's decision, according to officials, stems from security concerns about wireless communication devices manufactured by foreign companies, especially those dominating large market segments like DJI. Fortunately for drone users, these restrictions don't affect current drones, meaning all existing DJI models will remain completely legal to own and fly. As DJI navigates these challenges, other brands are rising to fill the potential gap. The Potensic Atom 2 has quickly become a favorite among beginner pilots looking for a compact yet capable drone. Weighing less than 250 grams, it doesn't require registration for recreational flying in the US. It offers 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, GPS, and smart flight modes, including subject tracking, a feature even DJI's Mini 4K lacks. With a price tag of around $359, it's a fantastic entry-level choice for those learning aerial filmmaking. Plus, it comes with a free 45-minute drone filmmaking class to help users shoot professional-looking footage right from their first flight. For those who want effortless, automated filming, the Hover Air X1 lineup is turning heads. These drones are built for follow-me shooting, allowing users to capture action-packed footage hands-free. The series includes the X1 for $279, the X1 Pro for $499 with 4K 60 frames per second recording, and the X1 Pro Max for $699 with 8K 30 frames per second and 4K HDR capabilities. The Pro Max, in particular, has impressed creators with its sharp image quality, smart flight modes, and accurate subject tracking. Though its limited 1,000-foot range means it's best for close-up shots like biking, running, or sports. Another standout is the anti-gravity A1, which looks like something straight from the future. Its dual camera system, one on top and one on the bottom, lets it capture footage from multiple angles at once. It can even remove itself from the shot automatically, creating invisible drone footage perfect for cinematic storytelling. The A1 offers impressive flight stability, long battery life, and advanced intelligent features such as automatic takeoff, landing, waypoint navigation, and obstacle avoidance. It's lightweight, portable, and paired with an intuitive app that gives real-time video feeds and full camera control, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professional content creators. Despite uncertainty about DJI's future in the US, the global drone industry is thriving. Innovation is accelerating, competition is heating up, and new models are becoming more accessible than ever. Whether you're a filmmaker chasing breathtaking cinematic shots, a hobbyist exploring creative aerial photography, or a traveler documenting new adventures, there's a drone for every style and budget. The rumored DJI Avata 360, if it truly launches with these specs and pricing, could be the most exciting addition yet, combining cutting-edge performance with affordability. As 2025 and 2026 unfold, it's clear that the drone world is evolving faster than ever. DJI may face regulatory turbulence, but its legacy of innovation continues to inspire rivals and push technology forward. Competitors are stepping up with smart automation, AI-powered flight, and advanced imaging capabilities, creating a golden age for drone enthusiasts. The sky is no longer the limit. It's an open canvas for creativity. With the possible arrival of the Avata 360 and a wave of futuristic alternatives like the Hover Air X1 and anti-gravity A1, the next generation of drones promises more freedom, more imagination, and more opportunities to tell your story from above.